What's up, guys? We're here in Elite Sports Cards. We're doing the filler for the cup break. We're going to go live. We're live at 4:02. It's 4:02 here in Colorado. I'm going to get a fresh list for you guys. We got Grant on top and bottom. Grant top and bottom. Guys, we're going 3 times. Good luck, everybody. 1, 2. Conkle on top after 2. He's going to probably be mad at me if he doesn't win. That was in at 4:03. 4:03. Third and final time, guys. Top 5 win. Tom, Grant, Jeremy, Peter, and Stacy. Kyle, you're going to be mad at me. Let me do the timestamp first. That was in at 4:03. It's 4:03. And I will get the list for you guys real quick. Tom, you get the Jets. Grant, the Knights. Jeremy, Tampa. Peter, the Islanders. And Stacy, you get the Florida Panthers. Congrats, guys.